Located some 22 kilometers away from the city of Cuttack, Odisha's cultural and art capital, lies the village Kalarabanka. A few decades ago, life in this nondescript human settlement was untouched by social and economic development, just like any other village of India. Dr. Samantha constantly remembered the hardship of the poverty-stricken village folks and lack of opportunity for their children to experience the magic touch of the socio-economic development. He founded the Nilima Rani Charitable Trust, which undertook the task of modernizing the village under the leadership of his very compassionate mother, Mrs. Nilima Rani Samantha. He has developed the same village into a model village by putting all city amenities Today, life in Kalarabanka is not the same anymore.